Hey guys, this is Bill from TFL Chat Room, and I just want to talk about a trade I took today with on a pound New Zealand dollar using volume price analysis. Here's the daily chart for this pair. We can obviously see this big red leg down, this candle down. This was during Brexit, and then this move down here post Brexit, and now this little bit of recovery. It got up to this trend line I've drawn on here that goes back to um, really October of 2015. This kind of zone that we stayed in here is the bottom side of the trend line. And as it broke past this via Brexit and came back up to it, to this area here, I thought there might be a good opportunity for a short. So I started paying attention to this and looking at what volume did. So I'm going to jump down to the 15-minute. And here's that blue area. And essentially, I started paying attention to it when we hit the blue area at first and came back down. I saw this move down on some higher volume, and I thought I would enter at a pullback. Actually, I didn't start paying attention to the second pullback, and I saw these two moves. This is really when I started to pay attention to it, was when I saw these two big candles here enter back into this blue zone here I have drawn. And I saw these bust through here, this high volume area for the last few days on the 15-minute chart, but really with no volume. I mean, there was nothing. So again, in volume price analysis, in order to see this big amount of work of price, you should see a subsequent amount of volume to push that up. You would assume you'd see this much volume to push up this much in price, and we did not. So to me, this is an anomaly. This is a pumped up move and not a valid move. So I would look for some kind of pullback, and I wanted to see after this move a pullback below this trend line. So as soon as we got back below the trend line, first I saw this declining move here with some very good volume. I saw this pullback and really started to pay attention. I saw this pin bar right here literally touch my trend line. Now, obviously, it doesn't always work that way, but I saw this on some decent volume, and I saw this on lower volume, and then a race back up on higher volume, and then another red candle on lower volume. And I got in here on this move, thinking it would get down past this area here, and it did. My stops were right up here. I got up when it started to go sideways. I got out, rather, when it started to go sideways on lower volume. So this was a pretty decent move. I was very happy to be a part of this move and get it from about right here with very low risk. My stop was up here somewhere, so very low risk and lots of reward. Again, getting out around here when this started to pull back, I got out, I think, the middle of this green candle here. So again, very happy to be a part of this and to use some volume profile analysis to help me determine when to enter this trade. And really, this pin bar right here on high volume is kind of what gave me the best clue as to that this pullback was going to be short. And sure enough, it was. And I got some confirmation on this higher volume move off of this trend line. And again, took this trade all the way down to here. As I look at this on the daily, I see that we formed a pin bar today coming off this area, this trend line and this area here. There may be a lot of opportunity to go down here some more, and it may, and I may, on a pullback, re-enter this trade. If it pulls back up here, anywhere into this area, I love this high volume area. It goes all the way back here on the 15-minute. That's a significant high volume area. So I think I'm actually going to put some pending orders right here with a stop over this trend line. I want to put some pending orders right here to go short. So if this happens overnight, I'm asleep. If it comes up only a little bit and goes down, then I missed a trade. That's okay. I want to be right below this high volume line, put a pending order in there, and then put some stops up here. Again, if it makes it past this high volume area, it may go all the way up, and that's fine. Let it do that. But I am thinking that it broke through this high volume area on the 15-minute with this big red candle here on high volume. So I'm thinking that this is going to sustain down below this area. So again, I'm going to put some pending orders, probably around 86.32, 86.30, somewhere in this area. Put a pending order and let it ride all the way down. So that's going to be my plan for this pair for tonight. We'll see what happens. Again, happy to participate in this move and would love to be able to participate in more moves going down. I'll keep you posted on how it's going. Thanks.